ChatGPT's and Google Gemini AI biggest competitor has come up with a new AI feature that none of the above mentioned competitors actually have. If you use AI for work, business, personal life, or education, you need to know about this. And this feature is very cleverly designed. What I like about this AI tool is how it thinks about things, and above all, that unlike ChatGPT, that are able to maintain a consistent team of AI developers, which allows them to do these great things that we don't see anywhere else yet. This is Tomasz Czerniowski from tomas-ai channel. Our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in revenue for clients over the past 11 years, and AI now helps us achieve even better results in these marketing campaigns for our clients. My challenge for you is very simple. Watch these videos for 120 days, take notes, and test everything. By the end of 2025, you will use AI better than 99% of people and businesses, and that's my mission, guys. So today's topic will be introducing agent skills. The skills is the crucial word, and we are right now on the Anthropic update page or a news page because the Claude, which is the model, which is the LLM from Anthropic, introduced agent skills on October 16th, 2025, which is like 5 days ago. And this one is really crucial because Claude can now use skills. It's literally called skills to improve how it performs specific tasks. Skills are folders that include instructions, scripts, and resources that Claude can load when needed, which is really, really important. It's not like when you tell him to or tell it to load it or work with it. It's when Claude can load when it needs it, which is crucial. Claude will only access a skill when it's relevant to the task at hand. Crazy. When used, skills make Claude better at specialized tasks like working with Excel or following your organization's brand guidelines. The crazy thing is that you can actually have tens or hundreds of skills in your Claude account, in your Claude LLM. And once you will be, for example, here we can see, once you will be creating some, document or presentation, deck or, whatever, PDF or, banners or website, landing page or scripts for your videos or scripts for your landing page, text, copywriting, whatever. If it can basically, if it will basically, let's say, think if it needs some of the skills that you actually provided it in the skills tab. And if it basically thinks, yes, I need help with this skill because I am right now creating a script for a YouTube video and I am not a script writer, so I would definitely appreciate a, copywriting or script writing skill, to be turned on, it will automatically turn on this skill, which is crazy. You can have like tens or hundred skills there. And what it does is that you can imagine it like if you will be creating like 3 different tasks. The first one will be you are designing and programming a landing page. You need a different skill set to design and program landing page than with the task number 2. You need to, have skill for managing PPC campaigns in online marketing. And the third thing is that actually the third task could be, for example, you are going to be recording a YouTube video like this one, and again there's a different skill set needed to be able to do it and to have decent results. So this is like in a real world, and Claude right now with the skills, with the feature called skills, can actually be more like a human, that you need different skills and different skill set for accomplishing different tasks, which is really crazy because you've already seen skills to work in Claude apps where Claude uses them to create files like spreadsheets and presentations. Now you can build your own skills and use them across Claude apps, Claude Code, and our API. And this one, guys, you need to be careful right now and you need to listen. While working on tasks, Claude scans available skills to find relevant matches. When one matches, it loads only the minimal information and files needed, keeping Claude fast while accessing specialized expertise. Skills are composable, skills stack together. Claude automatically identifies which skills are needed and coordinates their use. Portable, skills use the same format everywhere, built once, used across Claude apps, Claude Code and API. Efficient only loads when what's needed when it's needed, which is crazy. Powerful, skills can include executable code for tasks where traditional programming is more reliable than token generation. Think of skills as custom onboarding materials that let you package expertise, making Claude a specialist on what matters most to you. For a technical deep dive on the agent skills, design pattern, architecture, and development best practices, read our engineering blog. So this is how it looks like, and I will be showing to you how it actually looks like, where you can access it, where you can upload it. And you can see that there is multiple skills enabled. Claude automatically invokes relevant skills based on your task. No manual selection needed. You will even see skills in Claude's chain of thought as it works. So, for example, here you can see that there is a let's say fake brand Crabra-Cadabra. Crabra-Cadabra, really interesting one, right? And basically the Claude got task, somebody prompted to create whatever it's needed for this brand, and it actually went to the skill brand guideline skill for this particular brand. So for example, you could upload there your brand guidelines, and once you will be creating something regarding your brand, ad copy for your ads on social media, or copy for your posts on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, LinkedIn, etc., etc. And you basically would like to be written in your company's voice, tone of voice, and all the things around that. It will actually access these brand guidelines skills, and it will enable it, and it will use it to create best possible version of these copies for you, these social media copies for you. So it will basically resonate, and it will be in match with your brand guidelines, etc., which is really crazy. Before we will go on to another one, guys, I would highly encourage you, I would highly appreciate you if you could provide, and if you could click on a like button, subscribe button, and also on the bell icon, since I am literally posting 30 plus days right now in a row. With my Czech channels, it's 100 plus days right now, and those channels are growing as is this one. And I would really appreciate if you could provide me the support and give me some energy back, because it costs me a lot of energy right now. It's almost 2 a.m. right now here in Prague, in Czech Republic. I'm recording this because there was a long day before, as usual. So it would give me some burst of energy for the next videos, because I will be literally posting every single day till the end of 2025. So I would highly appreciate, and it would definitely mean the world to me. So thank you guys, I highly appreciate it. So once we go back here, there is more stuff about some references from Box, Notion, Canva, Rakuten, etc., how it works. The most important thing is that Claude, as you know, is not as large as ChatGPT. ChatGPT has around 400 to 800 million weekly users, data from as of mid 2025. Gemini has around 400 million monthly active users, so it's catching up. ChatGPT Grok has around, sorry, this is monthly, they have a weekly ChatGPT. Grok in XAI has around 20 to 35 million users in the same period, reporting period. And Claude has around 20 to 35 million monthly active users, with 30 million monthly active users reported in Q2 2025, monthly visits, etc., etc., etc. So Claude isn't the biggest one, but it's usually the experts in AI world. They basically evaluate Claude as one of the most let's say the best one for the money. Let's say the one that provides the best answers, and you can actually use it for a couple of things like Claude Code, API, whatever. So definitely Claude is something that you should be interested. If you don't know anything about it, definitely deep dive into Claude from Anthropic. Definitely test it. It's for free. You can use Sonnet 4.5 LLM, which actually crushed GPT-5 in almost every task and every benchmark. So definitely use it, definitely test it, definitely try it. And basically the difference between Claude Skills and Claude projects, because you can have projects here very similar to projects like in ChatGPT. You basically in your projects put there your instructions and files, and you can go here and again start a new thread every time you need to know anything or something around this whatever project you are doing and creating. And you would ask, and there will be like a lot of threads here. But the skills is different. That you just go to your regular Claude chat window and you just put there your question or the prompt or whatever. And if the prompt will basically see that some skills, if enabled, will help the results, the quality of the results, etc., etc., it will just trigger the skill and it will help the Claude create the best possible version of the answer. So here you can see how it actually works, and you can actually access it if you click on your name on the left bottom side, then settings, then capabilities here. Then you would need to enable code execution and file creation. You will need to turn it on. So in that case, it will turn the skills preview, and then you can see that there is a couple of skills prepared from Anthropic, Theme Factory, Slack GIF Creator, Skill Creator, MCP Builder, Internal Comms, Canvas Designs, Brand Guidelines, Artifacts Builder, Algorithmic Art, whatever. So there's plenty of Anthropic prepared skills. And actually this one is really interesting, which is Skill Creator. So you can use Skill Creator to actually create a skill in the Claude, which is really crazy. So you can then go, if you enable this one, you can then go to your Claude chat and you can ask Claude, sorry, it's taking slightly longer than expected. And you can basically ask, create a file called skillmd for me. And you can see here that reading the skill creator, skillmd, to understand the proper format for skill files. Skill creator, skillmd. So this is the one. Synthesized user experience to architect specialized skill file. And there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, and there I should have it. Give me examples of how, okay, so there you should have it here. So it's here. So you should be able to basically download this file, go into your settings, capabilities, and here click on upload skill and you should be able to upload it. So definitely guys, test this one. It's a really decent feature. I really think that this can literally change the future of Claude from Anthropic, because if you understand it correctly and if you do it correctly, if other tools won't have anything like that, Gemini, Grok, and ChatGPT, etc., I really think that it can provide you with best answers possible out there right now, because it will have the skills of couple of expertise specialists, and that's what you really want, right? From LLM or ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or Grok, that it will give you the most relevant and the best answer possible on diverse themes, niches, and questions and prompts that you actually have. Because you are not using that for the only one purpose, right? You are using that on a couple of purposes. You have like marketing, you have finances, you have personal life, you have trivia questions, you have coding, you have research, you have maybe fitness, healthy lifestyle. Then you have, for example, I don't know, taxes, contracts, etc., etc. And you you would like to have, best possible answers in all of these, right? And since skills can provide that, so if you would have like skill for, best possible contracts, or if you have skill for best possible marketing copies, marketing copywriting, etc. If you have the best possible skills for, fitness and healthy lifestyle, it can provide you with better answers. So I will be testing this feature more, and I implore you and I encourage you guys that you would that you will do the same, that you should do the same, because this can really help and this can really change things up. So definitely, guys, don't sit on it. Go do it and try it. So that's it for today's video. It's already late. I am super tired, so I will go sleep, and I'm really pumped to go sleep. So looking forward, guys. Please, highly appreciate if you could give a like to this video, subscribe, and also the bell icon. Don't forget to watch this video. It's a really good one, so go check it out. And I will see you guys tomorrow with the next one. Cheers.